Srivas Pandit is saying, what is the sampati? What is the sampad? Vrindavana sampad? It's some flowers, some seeds, some dust, some dirt, some feathers. And what about your gopis? They're engaged in boiling milk. Dugdha auti, and dadi mate. They're boiling milk and churning butter. Tomara gopigan. But Amara Thakurani, Vaise Ratna Simhasan. My goddess of fortune sits on a jeweled inlaid throne made of gold. Thakurani Lakshmi. He's not a gopi. Narada Prakriti Srivas Kare Parihas Shuni Hase Mahaprabhu Jatani Jadas. Srivas Thakur was enjoying the mood of Narada Muni, and thus he made jokes. Narada Prakriti. So this is the energy, this is the one of the qualities of Narada Muni. He's a big joker. He always tells jokes and tries to create problems. So that same mood, he's entertaining. Lord Chaitanya is smiling. Shune Hase Mahaprabhu. He began to smile. All the personal servants of Mahaprabhu began to smile.